Hi guys, my name is Abhinav Padhi and guys today we learn something really different. So guys, today we learn coding. So guys, I'm really sorry I did not upload any videos because I was actually having exams and I was actually busy. So before wasting any time, let's just get started. And guys, over here the link is there in the description. You have to sign in. There will be a sign in button here. And then what you have to do is to just click over here App Lab. If you click the App Lab, a screen will appear like this. And once the screen appears, it will take a bit time to load. Then you have to go to Design. And it's your wish, if you want you can even pick a background color like any. And guys, the next step is to drag and drop 3 images. It's a drag and drop. Instead of dragging 3 images, you can just put one and duplicate. And after we are done with this, we'll just drag and drop a label. And we'll just resize it. And after this text, put a text. Guys, the text is there in the description. You can resize them and change the text color actually. And you can even change the font size. I guess comics is good. You can even do it like this. And after you're done, if you want, you can even change their places on the top or anywhere. So guys, now we'll rename these images. So over here, as you can see, it's written ID. And over here, you just delete the 1 underscore. It won't allow space actually. Underscore tiger maybe. Tiger. Today we'll make animals. Oh sorry, I actually put it there also. So after renaming these 3 images, we'll choose the images from the computer. You can even choose it from the icons linked to image. Otherwise you can, like from the browser, you can even put the URL, or you can even put some icons if you want. Maybe my files is better, because I'll just choose some images from my computer. And just one more. And the horse. So after we are done with this, we just choose them. So you can even resize them by just clicking on this cover. And if you want, you can even give the border width, border radius. Like 5 is fine, I guess. Sorry. It look like this actually. I guess 35, and border width also. Maybe 5 is fine, and you can change the border width color. Maybe red. And now we'll do for the all elephant. So we'll choose the elephant picture. And it's over here. And you can even copy 5. Okay, 5. Okay. Instead of doing that, you could just type it. 35. 5. And you can even put same colors. And now this is the last one. And after this, you just like resize. 35. 5. And and I'm just changing it to green. No, I cannot change it to green, otherwise it won't. So maybe red. No, red is already used. Or maybe yellow. It's not visible. Maybe this. Okay, after we are done with this, we just go to code. And over here, guys, very important, just don't bring the random blocks. First you have to bring one on event. It's the drag and drop. Guys, the yellow line should appear. A yellow line will appear over here. It means the code can go over there. And now it will look like this in text actually. If you want, you can even write the code in text. And after we are done with this, we just scroll down until you see playSound URL loop. And guys, one more yellow line should appear over here. If it comes, then the block will go over there. It right now appear. And guys, this should be false. And over here there's a drop down menu. You just click over there, choose, and and you can, sorry, before that you have to keep the ID tiger. If you want, you can even put sounds from your computer, or you can even record an audio. And over here you can search tiger. That was loud. And one more on event. Horse. And we'll just get one more playSound. Choose horse. So that was the horse sound. Now the last one, which is elephant. And where is that place? And now we just search here elephant. So once we have chosen, guys, our app is ready right now. If you want, you can even rename it, like for example sound app. And now after you're done with this, you just click on save and it will be saved. So guys, now you have to click on run. That was so nice. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel and do like this video. And yes, like this code will look like this in blocks. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like.